not thinking about the way you keep my world from spinning. I'm just thinking about your eyes. Just don't know if I've been faking or pretending, but I know I never felt so damn alive. Hello, where you at, where you been? Tell me everything about you. Go slow, so I can write it down and become the perfect man for you. What you like, what you don't, you should never be flying so low. Hop into the cockpit, I can be your rocket.
What do you call a bear with no teeth?
Tooth bear. Or a toothless bear.
A gummy bear.
Gummy bear. Oh, yeah.
I get it. What do you call a cheese that's not yours?
Dun dun dun.
Like, what's the flavor of Doritos? I don't know the other.
Nacho cheese.
Not your cheese. Why do zebras like old-fashioned shows?
Oh, I know it.
Because they're black and white.
Yeah.
Yep. What does a dentist call his x-ray?
Come on, Casey. Get it.
What does a dentist call x-rays? Teeth rays. Tooth rays.
Did I say it? Okay. Toothpicks.
What? I don't get it. I don't get it.
Toothpickers.
Oh!
What do you call a fairy who never takes a bath?
The tooth fairy.
Stinky fairy.
It's a tile. 3 cards. It's a tile. Die! You're in tax. Ugh! I'm not getting any of it. Are you kidding me?
almost to the beach. We have come across the Oregon River. Gotta do Oregon Trail crossing right here. Hopefully our horses will be okay and wagon.